boss. We are ODM Solar Company. This is our hot-selling portable solar generator. It is integrated with porch light and cigarette lighter with 2 pieces, 110 voltage or 220 voltage max AC outlets, and 2 pieces 12 voltage DC output, 2 5 voltage USB ports, 2 QC fast charging, 1 Type-C. It is typically used in laptop or computer fridge, small water pump, gel mini cooler. It is sufficient to power for weekend camping trips, road trip, RV living. Multiple charging ports, compact and large capacity portable power station keep your outdoors always pumped.